case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1978, the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit was immersed in a case that would put their discretion to the test. BASF Wyandotte Corp v. Costle. The crux of the matter revolved around a complex question: how to handle petitions for review filed in multiple courts of appeals, with an extra layer of complication thrown in by the need to identify whether or not an order issued by an administrative agency was, in essence, the same across different petitions. At the forefront of the dispute was BASF, a titan in the chemical world, who had urged the court to amend their petitions to include both 1976 interim and 1978 final regulations. The court, in turn, was painstakingly dissecting the legal DNA of both sets of regulations, with the intent to establish whether they were identical for the purpose of review. Parties were caught in an intense stare-down with dated bureaucracy when Chief Judge Coffin stepped up the stand, shedding light on the backstory of the case. He elucidated the chain of events: the issuance of the 1976 interim regulations, swiftly followed by an onslaught of petitions from various chemical companies, and the appearance of the final regulations in 1978, which heralded a petition from Dow Chemical in the Fifth Circuit. But the spotlight was firmly on BASF's motion to amend their petitions, as it held the key to determine the rightful court with jurisdiction to review the Environmental Protection Agency's regulations. With a keen focus on preventing confusion, duplication, and striving to conserve time and expense, the court endeavored to deeply understand the motion in front of them. They resolved to uphold a narrow interpretation of the statute, and were prepared to take the necessary measures to ensure judicial economy and fairness. In a move that signaled the serious weight of this case, the court issued orders for parties to submit memoranda by August 14, 1978. Simultaneously, it suspended all briefing schedules, leaving no stone unturned in its pursuit of justice for this potentially precedent-setting case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.